Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela. The war between Sithelo and Andile Mpisane is still on, and it seems like it's not gonna die down soon. Sithelo made some serious accusations. She came out and said Andile Mpisane abused her emotionally and physically while they were still together. Andile defended himself and said even Sithelo abused him physically. That relationship was just toxic. Now Andile is demanding DNA test to be done because he doesn't believe that he fathered his two children. The news was shared by Kshubile, the controversial entertainment blogger. He tweeted, Andile Mpisane demands a DNA test of both his children with Sithelo. Andile Mpisane says Sithelo had been unfaithful throughout their relationship. Yo isgaga esingaga, so Sithelo was allegedly cheating while she was still with Andile. But we don't know, hey? Trips have reacted and others are supporting Andile and others are also supporting Sithelo. One trip said, every time I think of what Sithelo is going through, I'm reminded of how she tormented Uyathandeka. She tormented her to no end. It's wild. I wonder who's Uyathandeka. Someone said after all of these years now they want DNA because Sithelo has exposed Andile's abuse. Mamkisa is not what we see behind the camera. Chris XL also replied and said Andile has only two kids, the one of Tamia and Tobega. Chris, who's Tobega now. One also said, I hope the kids are with their mother. Like, can they just sort out everything privately? We are facing so much as a country. People are dying left and right. Kuningi or go wrong, and moneyed people can't be the top of our problems. This is really becoming messy, guys. I hope they can just resolve their issues in private because they have kids. Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.